Namaste. Welcome everybody to Ratnakar methodology of spoken English. I am going to teach you through a novel methodology with the help of the 5 fingers of the open palm. The thumb is the place for the subject. Here subject is represented by 8 pronouns, only 8, quite easy to remember. And what is the subject? Subject is the person or persons, animal or animals, plant or plants, a non-living thing or non-living things, a phenomenon or phenomena. So, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. 8 members of the pronouns. I, first person, singular. The person who speaks is the first person. Or the persons who speak, first person plural. The person who is spoken to, second person. The persons who are spoken to, second person plural. Then he, she, it. The male of a human being, he. The female of a human being, she. An animal, a plant, a non-living thing, or a phenomenon belongs to it. If the names are more than one, then we say they. So I, we, you, and for convenience we bring they afterwards. Then he, she, it. Okay, now we have got the subject. To make a sentence, we need a verb, the subject and a complete verb. Then we can make the smallest sentence. Then what is the verb? Verb is the doing word. It shows action. The verb has 4 different forms. The first is simple present. The second is simple past. The third form is past participle. And the fourth form is the present participle. When you hear simple, you think that it is easy to understand. That's what the meaning given in dictionaries and in Google. I searched for it. But in English grammar, simple means the form of the verb with the complete meaning. So there are 2 simple, one simple present, one simple past. Each of these 2 has complete meaning. Therefore, simple present can stand independently in a sentence. Simple past also can stand independently in a sentence. But participles cannot stand independently in a sentence. They need helping verb or an auxiliary verb to get the meaning complete. Now today we are going to take only the simple present. Subject, I am going to take I. So let us see the 4 different forms of the verb. I am going to take the first verb, write, W-R-I-T-E, write. Its simple past is wrote. Its past participle is written. Its present participle is writing. So like that, every verb has 4 different forms. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, speaks. Speak and speak. Speak is plural verb. Every plural verb has a singular form with an S at its end. Speak means speaks. Speak means plural verb, speaks, singular verb. Write, plural verb, writes, singular verb. Fry, plural verb, fries, singular verb. So like that you have to find verbs. Your brain has got a collection of many verbs. Bring them out and say walk, walked, walked, walking, walks. Talk, talked, talked, talking, talks. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Like that, you make as many verbs as possible. You need not have to make it, you bring it out from your brain. So, I am going to make a sentence using I as the subject and write as the verb. I write. Here, I subject and write verb. That is simple present. What is the meaning of simple? Simple means the form of the verb with complete meaning. Simple past is the past form of the verb with complete meaning. If you search in dictionaries, you won't find. If you search in Google, you won't find. It is given as what I have told you. It is given as easily understood. You can understand it easily. But it is not like that. But in English grammar, simple means the form of the verb with complete meaning. By the way, what is the spelling of grammar? The English speak as a grammar and the Americans speak as a grammar. What is the spelling? I ask you because just I have taught many types of people, from small children to highly educated people. Many of the highly educated also give the spelling Grammar. It is not ER, it is AR. Grammar. Remember that. So, I speak English. I subject, speak verb. Then what do you speak? English. So the answer to what is the object that we will learn later. I eat chapati. I walk every day. I sing songs. Like that you can make a collection of verbs and make as many sentences as possible. So I have given you the 8 pronouns. If we are going to make these pronouns as subject, I sing songs. We sing songs. You sing songs. You sing songs. They sing songs. When it comes to he, she, or it, that means third person singular, you have to say he sings songs, she sings songs, it sings songs. With the third person singular subject, you have to use singular verb. You remember, the singular verb has one S at its end. Only one S. Okay, this is, I think, is easier than any other methodology. You are the better judge and you judge. And you have to do one thing. You have to like this. And you have to subscribe this. Please press the bell icon and subscribe. Then you have to share it with all your friends all over the world. Because This methodology will help them learn English without going to any English medium school. If this is introduced in our lower primary schools, by the time they pass the fourth standard, the children will be able to speak good English, the children will be able to write good English. How free they will be. They will be free from tension. They will be very happy. And parents will be able to save a lot of money. So please share this with all your friends. Okay, I'll be back soon. Bye till that time. Okay?